If you're even thinking about trying Emergent Mind AI, stay with me, because I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and this one just dropped with some major game-changing features that most people are totally overlooking. You can try Emergent Mind completely free right now from the first link below. But trust me, before you dive in, there are some key things you need to know to use it smartly. Here's the crazy part. Emergent Mind isn't just another ChatGPT clone. It's built with a dynamic prompt chaining system that lets you create deeply intelligent agents that evolve during a conversation. This means it doesn't just respond. It reasons, adapts, and gets sharper the longer you use it. For anyone in digital marketing, copywriting, coaching, or content creation, this can become your secret weapon if you know how to leverage it. The UI is dead simple, but deceptively powerful. You're not just chatting with AI. You're building workflows without code. Imagine creating an AI that interviews clients, processes answers, then writes blog posts, emails, and video scripts from that data automatically. That's where Emergent Mind AI stands out. Automation meets intelligence. But one thing most new users miss: it thrives when you customize its roles. Instead of relying on generic prompts, you can define context-rich personas, like a conversion-focused email strategist or an SEO blog specialist. This unlocks way higher quality output than just tossing in prompts like "write me a sales page." Now, a quick warning, because this is new, there are a few glitches, especially when you're chaining multiple steps or switching between agents. It's not broken, but don't expect 100% polish just yet. Updates are rolling fast, and the team behind it is highly active, which is rare for most early-stage AI tools. Another standout? It lets you share and clone agent workflows. This is massive if you're running a team or coaching clients, because once you build an AI that works, you don't need to explain your process. You just send them the agent and they're off to the races. Also, integrations are already in motion. Zapier support and API access mean this won't just be another siloed tool, it's being built to plug directly into your business stack. That's a sign this is more than a shiny launch. It's being built for serious long-term use. And if you're wondering how it compares to the big names, it's not about replacing ChatGPT, it's about taking control over GPT. You're building intelligent workflows and agents, not just chatting. That makes Emergent Mind AI one of the most promising pieces of software I've seen this year, especially for marketers and solopreneurs who need leverage fast. Try it free from the first link below. And if you're curious which AI tools are actually worth your time, I've tested thousands, and my top recommendations, also free to try, are all in the description.